Hi, I created the FAVORIT Entrepreneurship Award to improve the dynamic of the entrepreneur here in Switzerland.
Hi, my name is Igor Martin. I'm the CEO of Hydromia. I grew up in St. Petersburg. I graduated as an economist in industrial engineering. I started my own company in Russia. And then while in the US, I joined a multinational Fortune 100 company. Did not want to stay in the US, moved to Europe, had a number of commercial roles, all the way up to business director for a global specialty chemicals business. And I then joined Hydromia shortly after.
Hi, my name is Maxim Avdeev. I'm serial entrepreneur, having experience in business for the last 25 years. Started in childhood with collecting medical plants and numismatics, followed my experience by economical and financial studies in Moscow.
Hello, I'm Ivan Orlov. I studied solid-state electronics in Moscow, and then I studied geology in Moscow State University. Finally, I came to Switzerland for a PhD in crystallography at EPFL. And during this PhD, I collaborated with several industrial companies, and I came across an excellent business idea how to solve a particular problem in crystal industry. That was the origin of Scientific Visual.
On behalf of the REYL Group, an innovative banking group focused on high value-added wealth management and related services for entrepreneurs, high net worth individuals, and family offices, it is my great pleasure to give the FAVORIT Entrepreneurship Award for the third consecutive year, recognizing the hard work and exceptional entrepreneurial spirit of the award winners, which we at REYL value enormously. It has not been an easy task to choose among the many quality applications of Russian-speaking entrepreneurs. However, a project that contributes to many fields and helps to reduce the environmental footprint stood out. It is then my pleasure to give the 2020 FAVORIT Entrepreneurship Award to Mr. Ivan Orlov, CEO of Scientific Visual, which develops quality control systems for optical materials to improve watch, LED and smartphone production. I would like to thank all participants and Olivier Moncasola, FAVORIT Publication Director, and his teams who made this event possible. It is our pleasure to support them. In line with our own tagline, let us enjoy this success together. I take this opportunity to thank you and to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The idea is very simple. If you take an object with a non-transparent surface and put it into a special magic liquid, you start seeing what is inside. And that's exactly the principle we use to inspect industrial crystals. And we use the same principle to inspect big crystals like this. This is a piece of sapphire, which is used in LED industry. For example, all white and blue LED lights, they use a small piece of sapphire inside. It's also used in watch industry. You are 10 years old. Look at that. This is a piece which protects the dial in your watch. So this is a big industry, and we immerse these crystals into our special liquid which we developed to see what is defective and non-defective zones. Like this, we can save processing of defective material because we know it in advance of expensive processing. The current trend in our industry is digitalization. That means that instead of manual control, which used to be there for many years, when people inspected the crystal with a laser and manual loop, we make fully digital objective quality control, and this data can be used in the full production chain until very end, so we can predict, for example, yield of production. My personal dream is to travel solo in Antarctica. This year, in February, I was planning to go to Antarctica to make a 2-week trip there. It's actually not a very wild dream, but now with the COVID situation, it becomes a little wilder, but I will do it.